lagging behind on the crisp, salty air. I was sturdy and mighty, I hadn't a care. We were two great ships pushing on. We were inland bound at the breaking of dawn. You were racing ahead like a hot-blooded mare as you crashed through the waves on a wing and a prayer. And I should have held back, should have waited and watched you demolish yourself out there. For those sailing to settle a score often get more than they bargained for. They wind up as debris washed ashore on the banks of the Albemarle Sound. I kept weaving my way across the ocean, dark and blue, safely leaving some distance between myself and you. I tried to cling to what was right. I was prepared to lose the fight, but like the turning tide, something turned inside, and I found myself picking up pace in a race for the Albemarle Sound. I shot up beside you, I narrowed your lead. I felt my pulse quicken, I kept gaining speed. I battened the mainsail, I clung to the wheel, but the wind and the sea surf lambasted the keel. I broke away starboard, I flailed to and fro. I felt something crack and give way down below. I lost my direction, my judgment, my stride. I charged straight ahead and ripped right through your side. For those sailing to settle a score often lose more than they bargained for. Now we're ruined old wrecks washed ashore on the banks of the Albemarle.